Yesterday we reported that on Tuesday, Iranian Navy's largest ship Kharak caught fire and finally sunk Wednesday morning under the Gulf of Oman. But this is not the only mishap happen with Iranian military. There are two other mishaps happening with Iran. An Iranian fighter jet on Tuesday developed a technical problem that killed both of the aircraft's pilots, state broadcaster IRIB reported. IRIB did not give the details of the US-made F-5 plane's mishap at an air base near the city of Desful. The reports by Iranian media do not specify if the plane crashed. The report said the incident happened in the country's southwest, in the city of Desful, near the border with Iraq. The TV said it happened before takeoff. It did not elaborate. The report, citing an informed source, identified the pilots as Kianush Basti and Hossein Nami without providing their rank. On the other side, a huge blaze has erupted in Tehran's oil refinery located on the southern outskirts of Iran's capital Wednesday afternoon, with towering plume of black smoke rising high into the sky and visible even from the northern parts of the city. Iranian media issued brief news reports, saying so far no casualties have been reported, but the cause of the incident will be investigated once the fire is under control. A police official told Tasneem news agency that various emergency and police units have rushed to the scene but the blaze was not under control in early evening. Since last summer, there have been multiple suspicious incidents at Iran's nuclear, military and industrial sites. While Israel is suspected of launching sabotage attacks on some of these sites, it has not taken responsibility for any incident. At the same time, temperatures in Tehran reached nearly 40 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Hot summer weather in Iran has caused fires in the past. Thank you everyone for watching this video.